Alright guys, before I proceed with the video, I gotta make a quick shout out to my boy Alex, better known as Sneakerhead in the Bay. He has crazy restoration bars. Peep his channel, Sneakerhead in the Bay, on YouTube. Also, peep his Instagram, at Sneakerhead in the Bay. He makes a bunch of videos on how to restore. Got a couple of reviews on there of shoes and of the SFDXC. A little recap. My kicks are also in at the very, very beginning. So please give him mad love and subscribe and follow him on Instagram. Trust me, guys, you will not be disappointed. Other than that, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.
It's 125, baby. And guess what we up doing? Get money, then you die, my nigga. Really
Alright, everybody, back at you now. It's Soul Separation. We got a quick review for you guys of the Air Foamposite 1 Premium Black, Hyper Red, Dark Gray, and White. Size 8.5. Y'all should already know what it is. It is the Fighter Jet foams. Let's take a quick look at them. At the moment, they're DS, so I haven't even tried them on yet. And I guess I can let you guys have a on-foot look. I got two pairs of them, so cool with that. Bam. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's a white, black. You got the white, the black, the gray. Get the little darker gray color right here. You got the black, the black back part with the red penny logo in there, with the red accents, red Nike sign. Pretty dope. As you can see, the bottoms are red. The traction pods are red. Icy. You know, as normal Foamposites would be. It also comes with a dope penny hang tag. It says, let's see, what does it say? Can't read upside down. Anthony Hardaway, #1, Memphis, Tennessee, Nike Foamposite 1. And on the back is just a regular penny logo. Just a regular penny logo. Let's see what else. They fit like the normal Foamposite ones. Nothing really changed. Pretty much, I guess the background story of this, it was supposed to resemble a fighter jet in the color scheme. So it features a camo color scheme and the white, black, and gray, which is what the fighter jet planes are colored after, camo in those three main colors. So it's a pretty dope shoe, pretty comfortable like all foams are, a little bit narrow. But I guess eventually they all break in. I'm really digging the shoe. It's really nice. The way everything's all painted and put together, especially with all the red hints. I think my favorite part about the shoe is definitely this red bottom sole. I really like. I don't know why, but it just looks really sick. The carbon fiber is definitely dope. The carbon fiber shank on the side, definitely dope with the red and the black. Looks really sick. And it also has these little hidden messages on, on the sides. This one says danger. Let's see if you can see that. It says danger. We got a little lightning thunderbolt right here, right there. Right here it says no step, as you can see. And on the back we have the penny logo with the thunderbolt, I guess. Now I just want to hit you guys with some on-foot picks. We can do one short pick with shorts on, and I'll go one pick with some Levi 513s. Let me know what you think. Rate, comment, subscribe. Cheers, y'all. Have a good one.
Yeah, turn it up. Yeah. I grew up sandwiched up between my older sister and my youngest one, Danica. I didn't have plans for much, just lamping up and used to confuse nice things with fancy stuff. I'm a back in the day nigga, I'm a West Side Crenshaw official LA nigga. Money still don't make me. You don't wanna see a nigga pull out all safety. Your girl still wanna date me. She wanna hit the mall, I'm here, come take me. Tell her just don't rape me. Bust a nut, give a dap, tell her get home safely.
Lately, when I roll up, heads turn my tops up. Lately, niggas don't really want no problems. We make all the girls strip at the pool party. Summertime, talking about lately, I'm reppin' LA. Lately, that's what I'm talking about.
I've been up, but it don't mean much. What's the good of being on when your whole fucking team's stuck? I'm trying to help lift their dreams up. I'm not happy in the playoffs, I'm trying to pick some rings up. When life's hard, get harder. Think big, think smarter. Be a boy, be a man, be a martyr. I used to catch a game with my father, yeah. And now I catch planes to Chicago, A nigga felt the pain of the bottom, yeah. And now I chop game up in Harlem, 2 gold chains, what's the problem, yeah. A nigga work hard, so I got him, yeah. Them Jordans go hard, so I got him. That nigga seen mine, then he got him. So in us, we trust, hoes, damn, G's.